To get started, launch the Threads app on your device. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap the Two Lines menu in the top right corner. From Settings, navigate to Content Preferences. Here, you will see an option called Hidden Words. Tap on it. Under Offensive Words and Phrases, select On, to automatically filter replies with offensive content. These replies will be moved to a hidden section. Under Custom Words and Phrases, select On, to hide posts or replies that contain specific words or phrases you choose to filter out. Now, tap Manage Custom Words and Phrases. Then, enter any words, phrases, or emojis you want to block, and tap Add. You can add as many as you like, and update the list anytime. Once added, any posts or replies containing those words, phrases, or emojis will be automatically hidden from your view, helping you maintain a cleaner and more personalized experience. To delete any of these words, go to Manage Custom Words and Phrases again. Then, tap to view your list. Now, tap the word or phrase you want to remove. Then tap the trash icon next to it. And it will be deleted from your custom filter list. So that's how you can filter offensive words on Threads.